My name is Richard Finkelman. I am the Foley artist at... Please don't, that's very kind of you, but later. No, seriously, what I do here is to create the sounds that you hear coming from that screen. And very quickly, I'm going to show you how it's done. Listen to this. Now, this sounds like I'm walking through leaves, right? Wrong, not leaves at all. No, it's just recording tape. And really, this is the art of the whole thing. But I'm afraid we do have to get on this afternoon. That's because the network called, 20 minutes ago. They need me to very quickly finish an episode of our series, Harry and the Hendersons. That's why we've got the people to help. What they need is, well, I guess I've got time to show you. Now, listen to this.
Action.
Now, you can hear the voice of the director. Should not be there. There's lightning with no thunder, and the clock, well, the clock had no chimes, and that's why we have all the people to help. So if everyone would watch their light, please, not the screen, let's make some noise. Julie, the box. That light. Thunder, please, Valerie. God! We needed the roar when the light... What?
The light didn't come on.
It didn't go on?
No.
It's all right, we'll just do it again. It won't be a problem. Just run the finished color print. When we get to the roar, we'll just pop that in and we'll transmit live. Quiet on the set, please. Very good, but you had help. Look behind you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all very much indeed.